Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zawar Hussain and today I have another video about death. This video contains 14 sayings of Imam Ali about death. So watch this video till end. Number 19. Departure from this world is imminent. Number 20. The appointed time of death is a shield. Number 21. The appointed time of death is an impenetrable fortress. Number 22. Death cuts hopes short. Number 23. Death is the reaper of hope. Number 24. When death comes, hopes are exposed. Number 25. When you reach the end of your hopes, then remember the suddenness of death. Number 26. The bane of aspirations is the coming of death. Number 27. Your death will soon come to you, so be moderate in what you seek. Number 28. Anticipate death, for verily the hopes of people are on the verge of being cut short as death comes upon them. Number 29. Anticipate death and do good deeds. By this you will attain felicity through your hastening to good deeds while you have respite. Number 30. Every moment you come closer to death, so improve your deeds. Number 31. For every appointed time there is an arrival. Number 32. For every person there is a day that he shall not go beyond.